Prior to the attack, she says her husband forged her signature and stole the title of their previous car. Left carless, the Frank Leta Charitable Foundation stepped up, donating her an Acura SUV.
Well, it's been a lifesaver. It gets me to my appointments for therapy.
To be able to give somebody a gift like this and really see the reaction and how it impacts their life, it's really inspiring. So we've had a lot of our team members over the last couple months been working really hard on renewing and kind of refurbishing Honda Odyssey that we'd like you to take home tonight.
Nice to meet you, sir. We've got something to give you right here.
I've met a lot of people from St. Patrick's here this evening that have congratulated me for what we do for St. Patrick's. But I'd like to say that I'm really proud of what they do in the community.
Yeah.
And that is why you're the beneficiary of this car tonight.
Well, thank you.
God bless you, and thank you.
This is very surprising to me. I didn't know I was going to be the recipient of this car here. And I'm really proud of you guys for doing this for me. And that's really going to help me out with some transportation, get me around where I need to go.